She said, please lungag. Speaking, she calling. Good morning! Ay, good afternoon na pala. Alexa, good afternoon!
Good afternoon. Love listening to podcasts? Ask me to play your favorite podcast on TuneIn, and I'll play it for you.
Play it though, babe? Just kidding. Anyway, so I'm here. I have a permanent schedule for this season. So, meaning to say, I work 8 hours in 5 days, which is super good. But right now I'm going to relax, enjoy the weather. The weather is super hot. Alexa, what is the temperature?
I don't know that one.
So funny. It's summer season here now, and the people are just, I don't know, if summer, people are going crazy like me. Anyway, so I'll just change in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so back to the vlogging. But wait, let's make this interesting. Also, this one I don't really know what kind of flower is this. It's been like 2 weeks. It's like that. Oh, you flower, you. Right, so that's how you water the plants. Just put jet water. Hoy, focus. All right. Who texted me? I think Ode texted me. She said, please lungag. Speaking, she calling. Hello, how may I direct your call?
Hi, Ned. Nanakot sa Jollibee. Unsing mo gusto aside sa bucket na chicken? 60 man. So, make sure na maglungag ka ha.
Yeah, I did already.
Okay, ano pa man yung gusto?
Anything that occupies space and has mass.
Crazy. Ano?
Yeah, bisa kong salab.
No, gusto ko specific answer, Ned. I don't wanna be the one deciding for you.
2-piece spicy and a burger.
Mag-bucket na lang po nga chicken. Kita $10 sabi ya.
Oh, okay. That's it.
Okay then.
Okay, love you.
Never mind. Sure ka, wala na kayo ganun pa direct?
Yeah, wala na. Alright guys, I think that's it for today. And like what I always say, mabuhay and aloha. Bye-bye. And Alexa time!
The time is 2:33 p.m.
I just said Alexa time. This is the Ode. No wonder she locked the room this morning because she left this a love letter. Some superheroes don't have capes. They are called husband. Wow, I love you. Ay, kinikilig. This is a... What's inside? Money, money, money. You are the best. Oh, it's a gift card. Our journey is not perfect, but it's ours. And I'll stick with you till the end. What? Bongga. Signature. Right. So it's a gift card. I don't know how much is it. Doesn't say an amount, so... Lowe's. Hi, love.
Oh, hi.
Well, thank you.
What do you mean?
You left the note.
Huh?
That's why you locked the door.
I didn't. I put it there last night.
Oh, I thought this morning, but thank you for the love letter and the gift card.
You just read it?
Yeah, I read it.
So how do you feel?
I'm so happy and so proud of you too. I love you.
Okay.
Love.
Thank you for your hard work.
Yeah, love will keep us alive.
Okay.
Okay then. Bye bye. Love you.
Okay, bye.
Bye. By the way, I have a new phone. This is a blue brand. Same size in iPhone 6 Plus. But then, because what happened is my phone is broken. The battery is like, it drains every time, like only a day it will last. Also, it has no signal. I think something has a problem. I mean, not something. It has a problem with the antenna or reception. So that's why we bought a new phone. So far, I'm loving this phone because it is what it is, alright? It's so hot outside. Try look. Ooh, blue skies, hot weather. Try look those weeds. Almost dead. Yeah, I want them dead so that they will not grow. So less maintenance. I'm going to eat. We have a special sudan here. It's called dried fish. This is all this leftover and I'm going to eat it. And I am having a flu because of the weather change from cold to hot. Alright, I have a small problem here. I don't know where to put my cameras. He told me, oh, you need to organize your camera and then where I'm going to put it. I don't know where to put. I was thinking like putting on the wall, but it will take time for me to decorate it. I am not yet done and I don't know what to do. I'm having problems setting aside or putting aside my cameras. So, but I'm not boasting. I'm just showing you guys what I have before and try to give some stories of all the cameras that I have or all the GoPros that I have. So right here, these are my collections. I have two more GoPro camera, the GoPro 5 and the GoPro 4 Silver, because those two are the most, I mean like those two cameras that I use all the time. So right here is the GoPro, I think this is one of the first version. It's called GoPro 960. It only shoots to 720 and 30 frames. This is my first ever GoPro. I use this on the ship. I will put somewhere on the screen some of the footages of this. And yeah, still working. The battery is still good. It doesn't drain. I don't have any problem with this. The only thing that I have a problem with this is in time when you shoot time-lapse, the camera is not really, I think it's like the lens is burnt already, but so far it's still working. So this one is the GoPro 2. This is one of the best GoPro and solid, very solid, rigid, still here working, but I haven't really used this because when I bought this, the 3 already came out. So this is, I have 3 silver, 3 black, and this is 3 plus silver, 3 plus black, and this is the 3 only. I just put sticker on this one, Hawaiian theme. But yeah, this is 3. Oh, it's stuck. Let me check if it's really 3. Yeah, so focus. So 3, then 3 plus. 3 plus. After that is the 4. This is a 4 black, but I'm not really using it because I'd rather shoot or use the 4 silver, which has screen at the back. It's over there and I'm so tired to get it. And then after the 4 I have the 5, and I have the 5 I have this Session. To be honest, I haven't used this really. I haven't tested this. I don't know if this one has a screen or SD card, but oh no, this is a 4 Session. It's not focusing well, but yeah, these are all my cameras aside of my pocket cameras, which is the Sony RX100 Mark II and this one, the Canon G7x Mark II. Here's some other accessories. I used to have a DSLR before. I used this Rode mic, but yeah, I'll just put all these cameras either this side and this side and this side, and I will deal with Ode when she got home. So like, oh, I don't have space, give me some space. No, just kidding. If you have any questions about GoPro, you could ask me. I'm not the GoPro king, but I know a little bit history of GoPro. Anyway, let's move on. Ode made this canvas print. Alright everybody, what's up? And it's so very hot, although it's so cloudy today, but it's still... Hoy camera, adjust! Okay, I'm heading home and see you in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alexa, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Science is my favorite subject. I can answer questions like, how hot is the sun? What is the stratosphere? And how many species of whales are there? I'm a good resource if you're curious about the world.